so have to get some facts again.
Yeah.
You see me?
Yeah, because why? You see, we're representing the country.
Alright.
Jamaican say, no, we are talking about today. Or you can spot a Jamaican. You know what I say?
Yeah. Or you spot a Jamaican.
Yeah, or you can spot a Jamaican.
How can you spot a Jamaican?
Number one, you know, the Jamaican them always I say anywhere except yard, foreign.
Where I go? Foreign.
Anywhere except Jamaica, a foreign, them call it foreign.
I got abroad now, man. I got foreign.
I go foreign. hey.
Dog.
What I'm telling you?
Dog. My stomach.
I'll gas you have here. I'll gas you have. Go and go pick some of the grass. I want to tell you now.
Dog, my foot, my youth.
I'll gas you have. Go and go pick some of the grass in the bush.
Same grass, so you tell me pick up when I go pick
green grass.
Dog, my toe.
Your toe?
My toe.
I'll gas you have. It's gas cause
It can't gas
Don't worry.
cause everything.
No, it's gas man. Go pick some of the green grass behind this fence, amasa. Every Jamaican.
Let me repeat this.
Every Jamaican.
Let me repeat this.
Every Jamaican.
Let me repeat this.
Every Jamaican.
Every Jamaican. So every Jamaican always
entering another person's house.
first thing you do, kick off the boot.
Shoes are coming half. Shoes are coming
Like,
half.
Kadoski!
They always take the shoes off at the front.
You must have manners,
Yeah.
basically.
That's how they were
You must
raised.
have manners.
That's how
All
they were
Jamaican, we know what kind of, you know.
That's how they were raised.
Come to my yard, you better take off that. I'm serious too. See me a laugh?
Jamaicans always.
Hold on, make it.
This is the way they were raised.
Good night.
You see what I'm talking about? They always say hello, good night, like they're saying goodbye.
I am fine.
But it's a way of greeting.
We can call you back.
You know, we're so we have so many manners
Have a good night.
that we're one step ahead. So we say hello, good night, good evening, good night. When we say hello, good night, hello,
Good night.
how are you? Hello, good evening, hello, good night. Good night. It's a very good night. Hello, good night. Jamaicans always say that. Like they talk backwards.
Yeah.
Now everybody know this.
This is the typical number one thing a Jamaican normally do. When you look, 11 o'clock you're supposed to meet somebody. Meet a Jamaican basically. Then I reach it. 11:30 pass, you pick up the phone and call. What they do? Say them on them way. Me and you well know say them not even put on their jeans pants yet. And brush off them clocks.
Jamaicans have a holiday which every school picnic look forward to. What name?
Easter.
You see when Easter come now, take a whiff of that. That's called the spice bun. Now we can get a piece from the school and I want this spice bun, the bun and cheese.
Me.
Every Easter.
Every Easter.
We
Every
bun and
Easter.
cheese. It's just a Jamaican thing.
Yo, Monday or from Sunday, right?
Yeah.
Sunday to Sunday, we eat bun. Eat cheese, if I'm not mistaken. Take that out in there.
Oh yeah.
Every Jamaican, typical Jamaican, when them see a mango tree, them have a fling stone or have to raid it. Actually, literally climb it. Go up there and teach the people a mango. My favorite mango, if you guys didn't know, is East Indian. And I don't care if you get man too stringy. Cause y'all probably don't even understand what stringy is.
Tell us something about Jamaicans. Tell them now. Anytime you hear sus or news, like they get the news, oh my God, you will not believe what just happened to Sally.
A lie.
This is what happened. A lie.
I couldn't believe it.
Neck back.
A lie. No.
A lie.
A
Big up yourself, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe.
Don't let me come for you.
Subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe to. Follow us on
Tell
Instagram.
your friend. Tell your next
Instagram.
friend. Your next friend. Go subscribe.
Instagram right here.
Instagram.
Prince Vince.
Yeah.
Got them ever since.
Well,
Wow.
yeah, so you know.
New videos every Sunday, every Thursday.
Don't forget, Sunday, Thursday, Sunday, Thursday, Sunday, Thursday, Sunday,
Thumbs up the
Thursday.
video. Tell them thumbs up the video.
Me say turn up.
Thumbs it up.
Thumb up the video.
Thumb it up.
Thumb it up.
I lie.
Yo. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. She said she like my clocks. Treat them clean and neat and never have marks.